Hello everyone, this is Pooja Satpute with Swati Satpute. Welcome to our channel. Today I am going to show you how to prepare chicken fry. For that we need for 250 grams of chicken we require 1 and a half spoon of rice flour, 1 spoon of maida, 1 and a half spoon of corn flour and 1 complete egg and some green chili with some curry leaves, red chili powder, dry coriander powder, chicken masala, salt as per the taste, ginger garlic paste and some 1/4 spoon of pepper powder. Now let's mix these all in the chicken. Now maida, corn flour, rice flour, 1 egg. Avoid using egg yolk and these spices. Now mix this all. Now I have mixed it very well. You can also add food color which is optional. Ajinomoto you can also add that which is optional. Now keep this for marination for up to 2 to 3 hours. So after 2 hours, now I am going to fry this chicken. Take a kadai and let the oil heat into it. Afterwards add some chicken pieces. And now let's fry the chicken. Let the chicken deep fry into low flame. Now let's take it out. Now the chicken fry is ready. You can garnish it with some coriander leaves. Thank you for watching my video. If you like this, please like, subscribe and share. Do not forget to press on bell icon. Thank you.